Hello, 3 plants will transform your bedroom into a serene oasis, ensuring a better night's sleep.
First on our list is the lavender plant. With its calming scent and soft leaves, it's known to soothe both mind and body. This delicate plant can thrive in well-drained soil with bright indirect light and moderate watering. Next up is the snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue. Aside from its unique name, this plant is famous for purifying the air in your bedroom, which can lead to a better night's sleep. It's easy to care for. Place it in a bright spot and water it when the soil feels dry to the touch. Last but not least, we have the peace lily. This beautiful plant not only adds beauty to your room, but also filters out harmful pollutants from indoor air, making it easier for you to breathe peacefully at night. Place it near a window with indirect light and water when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. So there you have it, 3 houseplants that can help you get a better night's sleep. Thank you for joining me today on this green adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more garden and home tips. Until next time, happy gardening!